guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. To the new ones here, I'm Swati and my channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please make it a point to subscribe to my channel and then hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload. So yes guys, yes, I'm just I don't know, I don't like the angle of the okay. So yes guys, without further delay, let's get started with today's video. Today's video is about one of the best European makeup brands. However, this brand belongs to India. So yes, I'm speaking about one of the lipstick from their brand, which is none other than My Glam Makeup. So yes, I'm going to do sort of experiment with this lipstick. So what I'm going to do is, this lipstick is called the My Glam Liquid Lipstick. This is how the packaging looks, and the inner packaging is like this. This is how big it is, and this is the quantity. This is where you can see which color it is, and you will find the shade over here. My shade is shade number 17 Pie Hunt. If my camera catches this, hopefully. No. Okay, fine, it's okay. I will tell you. The shelf life of this product is 2 years and this retails for 395 rupees. But, let me tell you. Guys, if you are using my coupon code, which I have linked, referral code, not coupon code, if you are using my referral code, which I will mention down there in the description box, you would be getting a discount. What else would you require? On the first shopping, you will get a discount of 150 rupees. So suppose you are buying this from there, there's always discounts going on in the app. Plus you will get 150 rupees off, which is around 250 rupees you will get. And let me tell you, this is one lipstick I have used, I have tested, and it has lasted for me like longest of all the durations. I mean, this is something that I have used for the maximum time in my until date, and yes, it is very affordable and a very good lipstick. And if you guys know, Manish Malhotra has collaborated with My Glam, or My Glam has collaborated with Manish Malhotra. I don't know which one is the right way, but yes, there is a collaboration between these two, and you get their Manish Malhotra products as well, but they are quite on the expensive side, but that's okay, they are still worth it, guys. So yes, so let's get started with the swatches. So yes guys, let's get started with the swatches. I'm going to apply this on my lips and we are going to do an experiment. I will get back to you after some time, because this lipstick, according to my knowledge, is one such lipstick that lasts for the longest period of time. It would not go with water, it would not go away with any products, you could say water or even micellar water. I have tried removing it with Garnier micellar water, even that has not been able to take away this lipstick. Only coconut oil is the one that took away this lipstick. You may use any of the oils to get and this applicator, guys, it's so super soft on the lips. You will just love the way it feels on the lips. As of now it's creamy, but it's going to dry very soon, and after it dries off, no water, no anything can make you get rid of this lipstick. So yes, this is how the lipstick looks like, guys. This is the shade, and I'm going to give it some time for it to dry off, and Yes, I will get back to you after some time, and let's see how this lipstick is after say about 5 to 6 hours, because that would be a lot of time. I will have my coffee, evening coffee. Maybe after dinner I'll get back to you guys and I will show you how this lipstick has stayed till then, right? Yes guys, so as you can see, I'm just having my coffee and I've just changed back, and yes, as you can see the lipstick is still there. I had a lot of water and I just removed some of my makeup from my face, and yeah, let's keep going with this video and see how long this lipstick is going to stay. But just to mention to you guys, it's already 1 hour since I applied this lipstick and nothing has happened, and so is my lip swatch. It's still there. So yes, let's keep going and watching what's going to happen to this lipstick. Guys, so I'm done for the day. I'm just about to wash my face for the day. As you can see, the lipstick has not at all moved. Can you see that? And this one as well is just the way I applied it. So yes guys, this is one of the best lipsticks I have ever seen. So just what are you waiting for, man? You finally have found the best lipstick. Just go for it, grab it before it is too late. Yes guys, and then until my next video, take care, bye bye, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and then hit on the bell icon to be notified on the latest videos that I upload if you are new to my channel. So yes, until my next video, take care, bye bye, love you all.